Robbie Malinga JNR is nominated for the Drama Queen of the Year award. Aaron Excitement Mungwanange. Robbie Malinga JNR is nominated for the Drama Queen of the Year prize at the Feather Awards. Robbie Malinga JNR, otherwise known as Rob Marley or MR It's Too Much, was announced in the category alongside AKA and Matt Lapa and Jackie Famot said. Speaking to Chwisa Live, Robbie couldn't contain his excitement to be nominated and said he was honored and humbled. I'm overwhelmed and feel appreciated by the support I get from people. It's a good thing that I'm noticed and don't take anything for granted, it's too much. Stylish JNR is still undecided whether to rock the awards with his mother or bodyguard as his date, but said he is also looking for a designer outfit to show off. Robbie spent much of 2018 fighting backlash from haters for flexing his lavish lifestyle on his late father's Instagram page. He didn't entertain the hate, instead buying more Gucci sunglasses and clothes for his critics to talk about. Robbie Malinga's manager Saifo Duke told Chwisa Live that the nomination showed how Robbie had silenced the haters. I'm happy for him, he lost his father and he was rumored to be blowing his father's money, but through it all, things turned out very well for Robbie JNR. This is evidence that a good seed is planted in his life. So Misa will host the annual event, used to celebrate the Weekend community, on the November 15th at the Johannesburg City Hall.